Hello, my name's Steph, I'm a makeup artist from Glasgow and I've made this wee channel so that I can share some tips, tricks and advice all about makeup and skincare and other stuff like that. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, give me a wee subscribe, it would be very much appreciated. So in this video I'm going to be sharing my experience about getting my eyebrows microbladed. So if that interests you, just keep on watching. So I decided to make a wee quick video just explaining how I've got these eyebrows. I know that sounds a bit weird. Basically I got my eyebrows microbladed in January and I'm absolutely loving the results, and I just wanted to share how I do my eyebrows now and a wee bit of the experience, a wee bit about the experience of getting my eyebrows microbladed. So before I go any further, I want to just share that I got my eyebrows done from a brow artist named Chelsea. She owns and runs Chelsea's Brows and Beauty in Barhead, Glasgow. She's an amazing brow artist, her work speaks for itself. I will link her Instagram below. If you're interested in seeing any more of her work, just have a wee look in the description box below. Okay, so I'll just start with the reason I got my eyebrows microbladed is because I've had pretty thin eyebrows since early 2000s when it was super cool to pluck them. That's basically everybody's story. However, I've been trying to grow them back for years and years and years, and I always just failed and always got them waxed every month because the stray hairs would do my nut in. So I basically just kept going and getting them waxed. What I did do for a while was my beautician was waxing them in such a way that I could push the hairs up and then fill in the bits that are missing underneath, so that it gave me a fuller appearance of a brow. So I was actually doing the whole fluffy brows thing like about 10 years ago just to try make my brows look a bit fuller. Now fluffy brows are on trend and I've had them like that for a long while, so it didn't bother me at all. But 18 months ago now I discovered I was pregnant with my first baby, so I decided during that pregnancy that I wouldn't get any waxing or anything like that done to my eyebrows, and I would try grow them back, and I did things like using castor oil and basically like using all the stuff you're supposed to use to get your eyebrows grow back. But even with me doing that throughout the whole pregnancy, they did not grow back. So I'd had my appointment booked in with Chelsea during my pregnancy, and then when I had Brody in June, I was breastfeeding for 5 months. So I got my initial appointment in December and I got the initial microblading, and then 4 weeks later in January I got the top up. So just to explain a wee bit about the actual procedure, microblading is where they use a really thin scalpel like knife and they score micro hair like strands into the skin, and then they put pigment into it. So it's technically like a tattoo, but as far as I'm aware it doesn't penetrate deep enough into the skin for it to be permanent, and that's why you need to get it topped up within a year. The actual treatment itself, Chelsea was absolutely amazing. She really knows her stuff. She goes through all the aftercare and stuff like that with you. She'll show you an example of the shape that she's tailored to your face and what suits you, and if you like what you see, she'll continue on with that, and like you can tweak it before the microblading actually happens. The treatment itself wasn't painful at all. You sit with a numbing cream on for half an hour before it, and then during the actual treatment all you can feel is like wee scratches. Some of the wee scratches stung a wee bit. That was it. It was not painful at all in the slightest. And the results that you see straight away look absolutely astonishing. Honestly, it's just like brow dreams, brow bloody dreams. The microblading will start to scab. Mine's didn't scab until about the 5th day, and you cannot get them wet at all in the slightest for 7 days. Invest in a shower cap. Don't be washing your hair while you're in the shower, letting any take a brawl away you, all that sort of stuff. Like, just imagine they'll fall off if you get anything wet on them. They're like a gremlin. If you get them wet, they'll multiply and cause you problems. Basically, after the 7 days was up on my initial treatment, I was actually too scared to wash them off. The way they'd scabbed up, it looked as though the eyebrows were going to actually just fall off. So when they eventually washed off, it looks as though a lot of the pigment is away with it. However, this slowly comes back. I know you hear a lot of makeup artists saying when they're doing the eye makeup, trust the process. So when it comes to microblading, trust the process. To see the finished result, you need to actually wait till a few weeks after your top up. I didn't see how good they looked until about 2.5 weeks after the top up in January. So the whole process is going to take they 4 weeks plus another couple of weeks before the pigment starts really showing back up. So when you wash the eyebrows and the scab's starting to come off, they will look as though it's disappeared, but it hasn't. It just needs time to come back out again. I know it sounds really strange, but that's actually how it happened with me. I will show you a wee close up of my eyebrows. Now bear in mind this is new in the middle of March, so these don't look the exact same as what they did in January. However, they're at my ideal pigment level, and then I'll just show you how I do my brows on a daily basis, makeup wise. I'ma zoom you in. So hopefully you can see there. Please excuse my dodgy eye makeup. My eyes are really watery because I've done a lot of videos today. I'll try, if I pull my actual hair down like that, you'll be able to see the microblading strokes underneath. So Chelsea actually drew the strokes up in straight lines for me because I wanted them to be fluffy looking. You can see it better here. You can see the microblading strokes there. And then I just push my natural hair up. Same on this side. I'll pull this down, you can see the tiny thin hair strokes. I'll be honest, it's not showing up very well on the camera. So this whole part of my eyebrow here had very little hair. So that's actually microblading strokes there that are getting that wee bit, that pigment. And same at the front, if I push the hair out the way a wee bit, you can see the microblading strokes just underneath. So it's very subtle, but it makes a huge difference to how my eyebrows look. Now that my eyebrows are microbladed, on a daily basis I'll literally just brush some brow gel in. This is the Benefit 24-hour brow setter, and I brush them in an upwards direction like that. Wow, spiky. Then as they dry in a wee bit, I just take the end of a mascara wand and push down the wee dodgy bits, the wee sticky bits. So that's how I wear my brows on a daily basis. I sometimes spike the wee fronty bits up because I quite like that. So that's how they look naturally with just the microblading, and then I'll show you how I sort of bolden them up a wee bit for a night out type of makeup, or if I'm doing like a more dramatic makeup for like an Instagram picture or something like that. So this is a Makeup Revolution brow pomade. Hello, my camera died. People say that all the time in YouTube videos. Okay, I'm going to zoom in and show you the brow pomade technique. Hello. I've actually wiped out some of that brow gel because as I was recording it earlier, the brow gel was actually stopping the pomade from working very well, so I did a wee bit better this time, eh? The tiniest wee touch. I just want to catch the wee bits that are a wee bit baldy looking. No drawing on any new set of eyebrows. Hair strokes. And then at the front, I just like to spike up a wee bit extra pigment in there. It's just the excess that's left on your brush. In that first swipe, it's not adding anything else. See the difference already? I like to push down here and just liven up that arch a wee bit. There we go. A bit missing here for a minute. There we go. So that's a bold eyebrow for me. Hardly any product at all, just catching the wee bits that look a wee bit baldy-ish. Show you another technique on the other side. Similar but more natural. This is a NYX micro brow pencil. It's got a tiny wee thin nib on it. And pretty much the same technique as the brow pomade, although this is a lighter shade than my eyebrow hair. And what that does is just gives the eyebrow a bit of dimension when it's two different shades going through. It makes it look less sluggish. Same again, I don't really draw any big harsh lines, I'm just stroking the product through. It's hardly making any difference, but the overall difference at the end is it does matter, all these wee tiny strokes. Same again with the arch. See all my wee microbladed bits there, help me out. A couple of wee strokes round about the arch. And you can see the other difference in the shade between this pencil and my actual eyebrow hairs. Push that back up. Look at that. Two different ways of doing your eyebrows when you've got microblading. You don't have to have microblading to do your eyebrows like that. It's very, very helpful for anybody that's got thin eyebrows, has got some sort of hair there. For people that don't have a lot of hair and they're basically drawing a new shape, I would definitely recommend using a brow pomade and then a wee bit of powder on top of it, just to sort of make it look a bit more natural. Powder, you don't have to have a brow specific powder. You can use eyeshadow, but you just need to watch that the eyeshadows are not too warm for your skin tone and your hair colour. That's it. That's how I do my eyebrows. If you like this video, please give me a wee like or subscribe or anything like that. And if you have any recommendations about what you'd like to see in the future, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Cheerio!